Some owners of the Samsung Galaxy A10 have been complaining, because their devices reportedly got stuck on a black and unresponsive screen, leaving the device unusable. This problem seems very common nowadays, and while it may seem like a serious hardware issue, it's really just a minor firmware-related problem. Hey guys, I'm RJ from thecellguide.com, and in this video, I will show you what to do if your Galaxy A10 blacked out and won't turn on anymore. First solution: perform the forced restart. Most of the time, when a device gets stuck on a black screen, it's just due to a firmware crash. This issue occurs more often than not, and when it happens, your phone may seem like a serious hardware issue. But don't worry, it's fixable, and here's what you need to do about it. Press the volume down button and the power key at the same time, and hold them both for 10 seconds or more. Most of the time, the phone would respond to this. So if the logo shows after doing this, that's a sign that the problem is already fixed. However, if it still remains unresponsive, then move on to the next solution. Second solution: charge your phone and do the forced restart. When your phone runs out of battery, it's natural that it won't respond no matter how long you hold the power key. But the thing is, when you allow the phone to run out of battery, there are times when the system crashes because some services may not be properly shut down together with some hardware components. This is what you need to do about it. Plug the charger to a working wall outlet, and then connect the phone to it. Regardless of whether the phone shows the charging symbol or not, leave it connected to the charger for at least 10 minutes. While the phone is still connected to the charger, press and hold the volume down button and the power key at the same time, and hold them both for 10 seconds or more. If the phone is still unresponsive after this, then have a technician check it for you. But I hope that this troubleshooting guide has been helpful. Please subscribe to our channel and enable notifications so you can stay up to date with the Cell Guide.